Good day. Today, I will show you how your patient books an appointment through PatientXpress. From this page, patient can select what kind of appointment they need on the drop-down, just like shown above. After selecting the appointment, PatientXpress online appointment booking will now give the patient available dates and time for the appointment. Patients will now be asked to enter their phone number or email address to verify themselves after they've selected their appointment schedule. After verifying, PatientXpress will now ask basic information about the patient that will later on be added to the patient profile. After filling out all the information, patient will now be routed to this page, where it will give the patient details about their appointment. Also the page where they can start fill out their patient forms. And that is it. That is how patient books their appointment through PatientXpress online appointment booking. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.